Y'all know I'm on the hunt for affordable, cute human hair. And I saw this company advertise a few times, so I said, let's try it out. Let's see what they're hitting on. Now, we've never worked with this company before. I've never gotten any hair from them. Y'all know I'm a beginner. I take stuff straight out of the pack. We look at it together to see what we feel about them. So the name of this company is called Oh My Pretty Hair Collections. Okay. Like I said, this is my first time. If you look in that description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this wig, all the details. But before you click that, let's see if we like this hair. So it came in a shipping packaging, and all I did was take it out because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. It came in this box with their logos and their social medias on the back. Like I said, I put that in the description box. What else do we have in here? Okay. So, ooh. I couldn't remember what I got. Okay, so we have a bonnet, and look, oh my pretty. That's cute, but y'all know I'm bald under here. They have some information about this wig. It says it's 100% virgin hair. It's a pre-plucked hairline, Swiss lace, dome cap. I can't remember what else I can find. Okay, they got an edge band with their name on it, brush, some of those thin stocking caps that are really bomb, not like this country one that I have on my head. And they have a care card with their socials on here. All right, so this wig that I got is 24 inches long, it's 180 density, and it's Brazilian hair. Okay, that's completely different from all the other hair that I ordered. Why did I get this? I needed some straight hair for it even. Oh, I know why I got this. All right, so like I said, I've been on the hunt for like easy hair because y'all know I can't comb hair. So it has to be easy or I'm just not gonna do it. And to me, a classic style is just a bone straight wig, long black wig, right? So that's what I picked up. It's one of those wigs where you don't have to cut anything off. And y'all, these have been my absolute jam, okay? So I hope that I like this one by Oh My Pretty, okay? So it comes with this dome cap, super stretchable. This is gonna fit anybody head because I mean it stretches so wide. It has the adjustable band already sewn in there for you, and like I said, there's no lace to cut off, but you do get like a 4x4 parting space there. Yeah, and it says that it's pre-plucked. That looks really good to me too. Look at that, right? Okay. So I don't know why I got 26 inches of hair because it's 100 degrees where I live, but we'll work through that. I am going to put this on, run a flat iron through this like haphazardly, and then we're gonna come back to see if we are going to add this wig to our permanent rotation. Okay, be right back.
Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel
because I got hot and I don't think it was like accurately showing how bomb this wig is. So first of all, the wig is super long. The inches are like amazing, phenomenal, but that's not even what I'm stoked about. What I'm stoked about is, y'all, that's this straight out of the pack. Like, look at that. These companies are really bringing the heat with these wigs that are easy throw on and go, and I'm glad to see that we're moving more towards that instead of gluing and plucking and dipping and flipping and all of that. Like, this is right up my alley. Did I say how many inches this was that I got? I don't know. But this is this OM Pretty Hair. I'm definitely gonna pick up another unit from them or two to make sure that they are as bomb as this one, because this one on my head is absolutely bomb. Oh, I did know. This is 24 inches straight, 180 density. Speaking of, that's what I want to speak about too. The density. So this is 180 density. And I absolutely love it with this length. So if you're getting into straight hair that's this long, and they say 24 inches, but this really feels a lot longer than 24 inches. It gets thinner as you go down, so I do think you need to go up on the density. So this was spot on, and that's why I did that. This is absolutely gorgeous hair, y'all. But the point to write home about, sorry I'm all in your face, is that, y'all, that's how far we've come as a people. So yes, if you look at that description box, I put a direct link to this wig and details. But stay tuned for that, because I'm gonna pick up a couple of more units from them to make sure that we want to add them in a rotation, because this one just blew my mind. This is bomb on .com. Okay, I showed y'all the full link. I got on coochie cutters, but I showed y'all the full link in the other side. But okay, there's my belly button. And here is where this wig falls on me. Okay, so they say 24 inches, but y'all, it feels a little bit longer than 24 inches to me. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I 1010% recommend that you check this one out for Oh My Pretty Hair, because I feel, oh my, I feel so pretty in this wig. I will give them that. Until next time, y'all, it should be very, very soon. Bye.